How we make things in the world is changing. Some people are worried. We're not. We see it as an opportunity to become fully digital, climate neutral, and highly innovative in these challenging times. And EIT Manufacturing is leading the way. We're creating a Europe-wide community of businesses, students, researchers, engineers, workers, digital nomads who are all working to improve your everyday life.
Hello, my name is Aurea Rodriguez.
My name is Harry.
Nuno Gouveia.
Sebastian.
From France.
From Portugal.
We want to help
Reduce energy waste.
To transform and accelerate the European industry into the digital era. Bye.
Bye guys, see ya. From a network of industry heavyweights to up-and-coming startups, we're constantly on the lookout for great partnerships. By pairing knowledge, talent, and the right skills, we're able to challenge what we already know and create the unexpected. We want your ideas to come to life quicker, your investments to reach markets smoother, and to create more resilient supply chains. It's worth fighting for. New friends, new skills, and smart machines fully connected using fewer resources and taking care of the planet. We're not just about education and innovation for the industry, but we're also about ideas that drive society forward and make it grow. A new Europe is emerging. It's green, connected, and digital. Are you ready? We are. Be part of the change.